No. No heat, no talking. You're lucky I'm letting you live. But my butt. What I should do, I should pull up on the side of the road, dig a hole, and bury both of you two. That's what I should do. Yeah, 100 years from now, a grizzly bear find your bones and pick his teeth with them. Wouldn't like that, would you? Can't believe you two. Are you crazy?
We have rights.
No, you have no rights. Not here. This is my shit, buddy. I'm the CEO of this SUV. Believe that.
Breaker 26, this is Big Al out on Highway 5, mile marker 16. I got 2 little lambs down here, been snatched up by the big bad wolf. I need some backup, pronto.
10-4, Big Al, let's squash this bug.
You had no consideration for my life, your life, or my spinners. What do you want? I'm driving here. Mr. In a hurry, idiot. Why is he slowing down? Uh-oh, I don't like this.
Pull over right now! Pull it over! Pull it over!
You better do what he says.
Like hell I will. I've seen those vigilante trucker movies.
I said, pull over!
What you doing? Oh, no! You think you got me boxed in? Well, you can kiss my 330 cubic inches of VA power, sucker. Hold on.
Premiums are going through the roof!
That was so cool! Yeah!
Oh, I think I got me some whiplash.
What was Mom thinking? I don't know. I like him. He's kind of funny. Hey, don't get soft. This man is not our daddy. He's the enemy.
Take me now! Take me now!
This is why we don't come to the city.